Hi, I'm Bill Bronchick, attorney and real estate investor with over 30 years experience, and I'm looking forward to coming to UV-REIA and talking about wholesaling, one of my favorite topics because I got started as a real estate investor wholesaling properties to other investors and also to individuals who lived in the home as their primary residence. There are so many right and wrong ways to wholesale. I'm going to dispel all the myths that you think you know about wholesaling and show you the right way to wholesale in today's market, specifically in your local market in Utah. I made a lot of money wholesaling houses. I paid off my student loans, my credit card debt, and I paid for my wedding, all within 1 year, my first year in wholesaling. And if I can make that kind of money, I know that you can too. If you're looking to generate chunks of cash for paying off debt, for paying for your kids' college, for buying that new boat you always wanted, or just for saving for your retirement or for other investments, wholesaling is a great strategy and it works really well in any market, particularly today's market where you are. I look forward to talking to you one-on-one live at UV-REIA.